Morning everyone. Today we'll be learning about how to calculate the sacrificing ratio. You all know what is sacrificing ratio. So the formula for calculating the share of sacrificing ratio will be old share of profit minus new share of profit. It will be more clear when you have a look at the illustration. Have a look at illustration 6. Rohit and Mohit, they are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. They admit Sarma as a new partner for 1/7 share in the profits. The new profit sharing ratio will be 4:2:1. So sacrificing ratio, we are supposed to calculate the sacrificing ratio of Rohit and Mohit. How much they are sacrificing towards the admission of the new partner Sarma. Okay. So formula already you have it. Sacrificing ratio share will be old share minus new share. Here in this illustration, it's a clean question, dear students. You have the old share of both the partners and also you have the new share of both the partners. So new share of both the partners is how much? 4:2 and old is 5:3. This one share we are not worried about because that belongs to Sarma. The new partner doesn't sacrifice anything. Only the old partner sacrifice. So we'll have a look. Here already I have written the formula, and Rohit and Mohit's old share is 5:3. Rohit, Mohit and Sharma's new share is 4:2:1. So if we are trying to calculate Rohit's sacrifice share, it will be old share minus new share. Old share is how much? 5/5 plus 3 how much? 8. Okay, minus new share is how much? 4 by total of that ratio. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, so when you take the LCM, 7 8s are 56. Okay, in 8 56 goes by 7 times, 7 5s are 35. Likewise in 7 table 56 goes 8 times, 8 4s are 32. So how much we have? 3/56 as the sacrificing share of the Rohit. And let us see Mohit's share of sacrifice. Share. Okay, so that will be his old share minus new share. His old share is how much? 3/8 and new share is 2/7. 3/8 minus 2/7. Again we'll have 56 as the LCM. 7 3s are 21, 8 2s are 16. Okay, so how much we are getting? 5/56. Alright, so sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio of Rohit and Mohit we have as, just now we have calculated 3/56 is to 5/56. The denominators are same, so we are not bothered about them. Just we'll take the ratio as 3:5. That is where sacrificing ratio. The same is given here in illustration number 6. Now have a look at illustration number 7. R and S are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 1:2. Okay, so R and S are the old partners. T is the new partner who is getting 1/5 of the share. Now what are we supposed to do? State the sacrificing ratio. Okay, so here what it will do is, if you remember the first illustration of this chapter, the first case where you had a sum like this, where from the total share which we have assumed as 1/5 of the share is being given to the new partner. So how we'll solve this? Have a look. So this is going to be your illustration 7. Okay, so we are assuming that, assume total share is how much? Total share is 1. Okay, and the new partner, who is the new partner? T. New partner, T's share, already in the illustration we are given how much is it? 1/5, 1/5 out of this 1. Okay, so if T is taking 1/5 out of 1, how much is left out? You'll again take LCM, dear students. 5 ones are 5 minus 1. So 4 by 5th share, it belongs to the old partners. Who are there? R and S. And what is their old ratio? 1:2. Okay. So now what we are going to find out, we already have the old ratio 1:2. New share we are finding out. To get the new share, what we'll do, the old share multiply with the share which actually comes to them. Okay, old share will be anyhow there, new share is also theirs, that is why we are multiplying it. So old share is how much? 1 by 3. Let us see new share of R first. Okay, how much is the old share? 1 by 3. And what is the ratio? What is the part that belong to them? 4 by 5. Okay, 1 of 4 by 5. So we'll multiply that, 4 by 15 it will be. Likewise, S new share, let us see what is his old share? 2 by 3. And how much he is eligible? 4 by 5 of the firm. So how it will be? 2 4s are 8, 3 5s are 15. So new share of R is how much? 4 by 15. S is how much? 8 by 15. Old share already we have 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Now getting sacrificing ratio is not difficult for us. Sacrificing ratio formula, what is it? Old share minus new share. Old share already is given in the question. New share just now we have found out. That will put into use. So R's sacrificing ratio share will be 1 by 3 minus 4 by 15. So we'll take our LCM as 15. In 3 table, 15 goes 5 times. 5 ones are 5 minus 4. So it is going to be 1 by 15 is the sacrificing ratio of R. Now let us see the sacrificing ratio of S. Sacrificing share what will be the formula? Old share minus the new share. Old share already in the illustration it is given as 2 by 3. New share just now we have calculated, we got 8 by 15. So that we'll put here. Okay, again we'll take out the LCM. 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10 minus 8. So we will get 2 by 15. Okay, so now let us see the sacrificing ratio of R and S. Sacrificing ratio of R and S. How much did we get? For R we calculated 1 by 15 and for S we got 2 by 15. Okay, so this is how when we have to show it in ratio, it will be 1:2. So what is the sacrificing ratio? 1:2. Okay, so that is how we'll be solving illustration number 7. Alright, so that was about sacrificing ratio. Dear students, hope you have understood. Thank you.